Hi, I'm Jakob from WATERCOOL, DE. We're a German manufacturer of water cooling equipment, and I'm here to show you our product. Right here we got our tube reservoir. It opens really easy. You have a huge fill port opening, makes it easy to fill it or bleed the air. And the reservoir, that's actually borosilicate glass, that's no cheap acrylic or anything. With aluminum struts. The reservoir comes in a wide variety of versions. So we got it in 100 millimeter, 150 millimeter, or 200 millimeter. We got it with blue struts, with black struts, with raw aluminum struts that you could paint or anodize any way you want to. And it comes with different bottom parts too. You have the standalone version, or you can do it integrated with a DDC pump, integrated with a D5 pump over here. Now what's that, you ask? That's just the biggest radiator available on the whole market. That's the MORA 3. MORA stands for Monster Radiator. This beast can be equipped with 9 120 millimeter fans or 4 180 millimeter fans. That spans 30 square feet of aluminum fins and could cool the most rigs even passively. And there's even a bigger version, the MORA 3 420, that can be equipped with 9 140 millimeter fans per side. Over there we got our heat killer for thread ripper. It comes with an integrated RGB strip, a huge nickel plated cold plate. There we got our heat killer for standard CPUs, like this one's the one for Intel bracket, but it's all modular, so you can simply exchange those brackets for AM4 brackets.
How much does that weigh?
About 600 grams of pure solid copper. That's, I don't know if you can look into it. So you can see that it's all milled out of one solid block of copper. There are no additional inlays, jet plates, whatever. It's all one piece. Here's our standard graphic card block. This one's for the AMD Radeon RX Vega actually. That's also made from copper. This one's nickel plated. I got a acrylic top where you can place an LED strip right here. That LED strip, if it's a single color one, it can plug directly into the card, so you have no cablings that have to be routed out, or you can route out the cable back here through that small opening back here, and it can connect to any motherboard header or third-party header that you want. It comes with either a black anodized aluminum top cover, or we have it with stainless steel cover stone here. And all those parts are super modular, so as you can see in this sample rig right here, you can paint all components easily. You can take it apart and modify and customize it for whatever you want to go to.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe to Modders Inc. for more coverage of PAX East 2018 from Boston, Massachusetts.